Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I will explain to you what is end-to-end encryption on Instagram, how it works, and why it is crucial for your privacy and security. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. What is end-to-end encryption? End-to-end encryption is a security feature that ensures your messages and data are protected until the recipient receives them. This means only you and the person you're communicating with can read the messages and no one else. This provides a high level of privacy and security for your personal conversations. What does end-to-end encryption on Instagram? In Instagram, end-to-end encryption ensures that your private messages and calls are secure and can only be read by you and the recipient. When you send a message, it is encrypted on your device and only decrypted on the recipient's device. What are the benefits of end-to-end encryption in Instagram? There are several benefits of using end-to-end encryption on Instagram. 1. Only you and the recipient can read your messages, ensuring your conversations remain confidential. 2. Your messages and calls are protected from hackers and unauthorized access. 3. It allows you to communicate freely, confident that your sensitive information is protected. How does end-to-end encryption work on Instagram? End-to-end encryption on Instagram works by encrypting messages and calls on the sender's device before they are sent. The encrypted message can only be decrypted by the recipient using a unique encryption key. This ensures that the message remains private and secure throughout its transmission, and no one is able to access the contents of the encrypted messages. It provides a high level of privacy and security for your communications on the platform. At last, end-to-end encryption on Instagram protects your privacy, secures your communications, and ensures that your messages remain confidential.